So now, as an SMC trader, let me add to it what I felt, okay, what I see that made me also think that the market is going to sell to the downside. This is my own technical bias. So make sure you watch to the very, very end. Hit the plus button to follow this account, like and share this video as well. Okay. Now, if you look at here, we have had this bullish order block, and after this particular candle, this red candle that formed here, the market actually had this impulsive movement to the upside, creating imbalance of the market. Now we have seen the fair value gaps, which is also serving as a magnet. Now we have seen break of structure to the upside, and this low actually sweep liquidity of this particular low, right? Now, what next? Since this fair value gap is acting as a magnet, so we're expecting the price to drag the market to drag down to this fair value gap, to drag the market price down to actually react to it, so that we will have efficiency of the market. Now, but it came to here, this particular origin, we started have consolidation. Okay, we started have this consolidation, this indecision in the market. Now, before you can consider anything, when you see this particular candle, this doji candlestick, you must first of all understand where it is happening. You must first of all understand where it is happening, right? Now, at this particular origin, right, it is happening around this particular origin, right, this particular origin. Now, because this is serving as, for those that use support on resistance, now, or resistance on support, this is a resistance that turns support. But here we have a strong imbalance down below it. We have a strong fair value gap below it, and this fair value gap is acting as a magnet. It's acting as a magnet. So this particular indecision or consolidation that is happening here, or the happening here in lower time frame, okay, is going to eventually break, but it has a higher tendency of breaking to the downside than upside because of this particular magnet here. So we're expecting that to break. So now the market actually breaks to the downside with this long red candle. Okay, this long bearish candle actually break that consolidation to the downside, selling to the downside, right? Selling proper to the downside. Now, we are heading, this market is actually heading to this demand zone, serving as our order block. And once it head over here, we are going to buy. The market is going to buy. And that's your buy bias is going to trigger around this particular origin. Now, I'm going to take this trade, right? I'm also going to share with you guys if the trade is successful or not. Now, if you want this particular pair, if you want me to tell you this particular pair signals, okay, just comment "I want it" in the comment section. I'm going to straight over send it to your DM. All right, I'm going to send you this particular pair name, okay, the name of this pair in your DM, okay, if you trade forex. And I also drop this signal in my community, so if you want to join, click the link to join as well. Make sure you click the follow button, like, share this video. Peace out.